find your announcements for things happening in the school.
We'll keep you up to date on upcoming school events, after-school clubs, and activities.
Go like, subscribe, share our videos to support our channel and raise school spirit. Have a good day, Chi-Town.
Good morning, Shields. Here's this week's announcements. Picture Makeup Day is Friday, October 14th. Are you interested in leadership opportunity and getting a scholarship? Come to see what HOSA is all about. Join us in room 915 at 2 p.m. on September 29th. Snacks will be provided. Are you interested in tactics, making new friends, and learning about the game of chess? Come to room 915 at 2 p.m. on September 25th. Here are some highlights from this week's at Chi-Town.
Let's give it up for the Chi-Town Cheer Squad. Bring out that varsity boys and girls cross country team from time now. The great tennis team, all out to this ball play, come out. Introducing the varsity football team.
Boys varsity football team beat Del Sol 14-8.
Boys varsity soccer team beat Virgin Valley 4-1.
Boys junior varsity soccer beat Virgin Valley 3-0.
Girls varsity soccer beat Del Sol 5-3.
Girls junior varsity soccer lost to Del Sol 0-8.
Girls varsity volleyball team lost DV Christian 0-3.
Hey Cheyenne, homecoming is just around the corner. We will be having our homecoming game on Friday, September 23rd and our homecoming dance on Saturday, September 24th from 7 to 10 p.m. and will be located here in the quad. Tickets are on sale now and can be seen at the Banker, and we'll have more additional information with posters around the school. I hope to see everyone there. to support our Desert Shield so we can see moments like this. I hope for everyone to enjoy and have a good time supporting our Desert Shields and of course with each other at the dance or with that special someone. I hope to see you all there.
Oh, I hit that. Something happened. Okay.
Just start that game.
And then I think I just started it. Yeah,
We're going.
there's nothing there.
Let's go live.
All right, let's get it in. All
Okay,
right.
you the goal. Get in there. Get in there. I'll take that.
Hold on, right quick. Let me go ahead and get this.
No.
Come on through. Come on through. Get
The
him up.
shot.
Right quick. I know that.
Okay.
Get here.
Go get it. Go get it.
Oh,
Go
yeah,
get
that's
it.
how you got me close. That's how you
Yeah,
feel
that-
about me. Go grab it.
Yeah.
We go. Grab him. Get him in his. Oh, that's how you feel, Cole. You gonna put your boy on the back like that?
Okay,
That's
I think that. Yeah, a little physical with it.
Get over there. Get that. Boy.
Get that.
Get him right here. There we go. Come on now. Don't be.
Come on.
Come on. Wait a minute.
Come on.
Yes, all I mean.
Do work.
There you go.
Okay.
Here we go. Woo! There we go. What's that shot? What's the
Let's go
shot?
ahead
What's the
and
shot?
Let's go. All right, Cole.
Okay. Drop it.
Oh, wait.
Get that.
Wait a minute.
What? Get that.
Oh, get that boy. Go get him. Go get him.
Come on. Get that. Offside. Oh,
Period.
yeah,
Over.
sorry. Okay.
Yeah. All right, as soon as I get my situations together,
Okay.
talk about your boy. You got it.
I got that. Don't worry.
Go
about it.
deck me out.
Get out of there.
I
Get
feel
out of
it.
here. Go! No!
Thank you for watching Shield TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, Shield.